So I love my hair, but sometimes it feels a little thin, especially like I do have longer hair, so it really can like thin out. So that's why I want to get this OUAI thickening spray. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do damp hair. My hair is not damp, obviously, but you're gonna spray this to the hair. But the other thing that this is gonna give you, besides all day volume, is this is actually gonna give you, one, this smells amazing. This has, I want to say this has their Malibu scent. So it's like a sweet floral that, as a non-floral lover, I am a gourmand lover, this really adds like a touch of like the classy hairspray, like scent, classy, like hair salon kind of smell, that you're gonna smell like your hair smells fantastic. Yeah, definitely fantastic. But you're gonna get a heat protectant too, which is super important too, especially if you're gonna be curling your hair. This is gonna give you the heat protection, which is gonna kind of help with preventing damage, which is something you really want, because if you want your hair to be long and healthy, you need to prevent damage. So you're just gonna spray this on, and then this is gonna give you that volume that you really want. So if you're looking for a way to make your thin hair, or even your medium hair, or even your thick hair, you just want it thicker, definitely go with OUAI.